Hello, welcome to this tutorial series on Blender. Blender is a 3D multi-purpose 3D software that allows you to make 3D models, animations, visual effects, the whole package. And there are a lot of 3D softwares out there, but Blender is way relatively easier to use, and it's free to use. Yeah, you don't have to subscribe to anything. So it's just a straightforward. Just go up to blender.org. Download process is quite easy. Just go on and just download it. You could also download for other versions based on your system, and you might need some videos online, some tutorials that use older versions of Blender. So if you happen to come across that, you could just download the older versions to match. Yeah, most videos will actually state what version they are using, so you could just pick up, and then that would allow you to follow. So this is the most current version of Blender. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it. So you could just click right in and download and install, and we can just move on right inside to figuring stuff out and creating amazing stuff.